We're back again to try this again. What is up, guys? We are back again to give another Supreme review. I've been absent again as usual, but you know, we might be coming back. Who knows? I don't want to make any promises because sometimes I say that and I just don't come back. But we wanted to give you another review because this has obviously probably been the most requested video that I constantly get. Even on Instagram, people always ask if I'm going to do it. So you already know I got my man's Fear of Joe, friend Joe, back in the building so he can give you guys his opinions as well as me giving you my opinions on the Supreme Spring Summer 2022 Lookbook review. Well, I guess like the preview review, but you already know. As usual though, we always have this video super long, so we're just gonna try our best to keep it just as short. Also, right before we get into it, we are gonna do the usual, but if you're new here, I give my three favorite things of this season. He gives his three favorite things of this season. I give you my three least favorite things of the season, and then he also gives you his three least favorite things, and then we kind of just review the season. But you know, let's not keep this too long. Let's just like hop right into it. I'll start off with my absolutely #1 favorite thing of the entire season, and that's gonna be the macaroni. You guys probably seen this coming if you look at any of my other videos. I always pick just like the stupidest things. I think I said the Skittles last season was the best.
The Skittles,
yeah.
the cough drops.
The cough drops, yeah, but like, dude, this is like the most fire macaroni. It literally spells Supreme in the macaroni. I mean,
and the dinosaur.
The dinosaur, he's wearing a box Lego. He looks super cute. Like, come on. Come on, I'm buying as many boxes of this as I possibly can, but you probably already could have guessed that. But moving along, let's pick, I don't know which one was your favorite, but let's pick Joey's favorite thing from the SS22 season.
So my #1 favorite thing is gonna be this Vanson sweater. Wow. All the colorways are so clean on it, clean, especially that camo colorway. That camo colorway, I've seen it on multiple items, and it's probably the best camo print I feel they've had in quite some time, I guess.
Yeah, I would agree. I think I might get roasted in the comments here, but I personally think that camo is better than the Brooklyn camo.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering with the new store openings, maybe they'll use that camo. I mean, we have seen that in the past. Not saying that's going to happen, but you never know. But yeah, I just wanted to go off of what he said. This sweater is pretty hard. I don't know what retail is going to be because we always see the Vanson retails very high.
Jacket, yeah.
But since this is just a sweater, it could be lower. But again, obviously we don't know for sure. But definitely a sick sweater. I also like all the colorways. Even that green on purple looks pretty sick.
Yeah, it looks like a vintage.
Yeah,
like Mighty Ducks. Almost.
Oh, dang, that's okay. Next though, into my second favorite item of the season, it's going to be the Star Fleece jacket. This comes in a couple different colorways. Personally though, I really like the brown. I feel like every single season they kind of just snap on the fleeces. Basically, I think I've missed every single fleece, and then eventually over time they go up a lot. Like, you remember the wolf one?
Oh yeah.
It had like a bunch of wolves on it. That was sick. I wish I could have got that, and I think that's going for like close to like $800 or something. I'm probably never gonna get that, but I thought this was sick. Personally though, I don't know if I think I'm gonna buy it, but I mean, it's just something I can like from afar. And again, this was the Star Fleece jacket. I just love all the fleeces. Can't go wrong with this. And then Joey, what's your second favorite item of this season?
Second favorite, I say, is gonna be this rhinestone striped baseball jersey. I've always really liked the baseball jerseys. I have one myself. A couple seasons ago I bought it. What kills me on it is I really don't like the rhinestone, but just the colorways in general are super clean on it.
They're all pretty clean.
Especially that red colorway.
Yeah,
it's one of my top favorites.
Yeah. Also, the lines I think are the rhinestones.
Yeah, the
okay,
lines are the
that's pretty sick. Yeah, I was confused on which was which. All right, and then lastly, of my top 3 favorite things of the season, it's gonna be this fat tip jacquard denim puffer jacket. I think this is like a heavy sleeper item. I did see a few negative things about this already online when someone posted about it, but I think this thing is sick. I don't know if it was in like the actual lookbook photos. I feel like just looking at it, it probably was. I like the denim one, well the blue one the most. Oh wait, well yeah, it is denim. So I like the denim one the most. The black one definitely my second favorite. Again though, I don't think I'm gonna personally buy this, but this is something I kind of like from afar. I think this is sick. I personally don't think it would, like, I could like mesh it into my style, but I definitely do like this thing. And yeah, that was my third favorite thing of this season. And then let's hear Joey's third favorite thing.
My third favorite thing has got to be this BB Simon studded dog collar. And the only reason I'm saying that is because the BB Simon belt a couple seasons ago, that was really clean. And I just recently got a dog, so I'm definitely going to try to cop this for him.
Dude, that's going to be like going to the dog park, bro. flexing on with this thing.
They won't even be able to see them because how shiny the
yeah, dude, for real.
crystals are gonna be.
Yeah, this thing's sick though. I just wanted to say too, going off of that, it comes in 3 different colorways. Every colorway is sick. I don't even have a dog or a cat to put this on, but I still want to try to get this as like maybe like a hold item or like in case I ever get a dog or a cat. The belt like flew when that came out. So even though it's a dog collar, I still feel like this is gonna fly.
That and the leash.
This is, yeah, because it came with the leash too. I think they're both gonna like insanely fly, but you know, still gonna try. But then that's all of our favorite items of the season. So let's just jump right into our least favorite items of the season. And I guess I will start things off with my least favorite. I don't really have them as like a 1, 2, or 3 least favorite. So we're just gonna say 3 things that we don't like of the season. So one of them being this Nate Lowman work vest. Honestly, I don't know who that is, so I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. This I just feel like is executed not the best, in my personal opinion. I love vests. I've been really getting into vests, but this, I don't know, just like something about it, maybe just like with the colors on the cream and like the black neckline I'm not really liking. But like I said, I just kind of feel like this wasn't executed as nicely as I would like to have seen from them, because I have seen them make way better vests in the past. Again, no disrespect to who this is though, because I'm sure this artist is pretty sick, but I just was not a big fan of this. Like I said, I just think it could have been better. All right, Joey, tell us one of your least favorite things from this season.
I'm gonna follow him up and say this Nate Lowman hooded sweatshirt. The only reason is I don't really like the pattern because I imagine it's supposed to be just a whole bunch of bullet holes in yourself. I don't really know though. The hoodie in general is nice. The vintage wash is really nice. Again, the pattern and
it just looks weird.
Yeah,
you know, I kind of,
I don't know if they like this one kind of looks like a flower, but the other
that's probably
the others look like bullet holes. I don't really know. I just don't like it.
I guess we're just not really understanding this. Maybe we could just be completely uncultured and not know much about this. I just kind of feel like this wouldn't look good on, in my personal opinion. But I do like the hoodie though, like you said, like the hoodie itself, it down looks like a vintage wash. Like, but moving along here, another one of my least favorite items would have to be this credit card shirt. Oh, that's literally all it's called, is the credit card shirt. Kind of self-explanatory here. I don't think anyone is going to be buying this. I mean, I guess I kind of see what they tried doing here, but like, I'm just having a hard time believing anyone is going to wear this.
Yeah.
This looks ridiculous. I don't even have anything else to say about it. I don't like this.
Really
I do not like that at all.
Too much going on.
Yeah, way too much. All right, what's another one of your least favorite things?
All right, my other least favorite is this hooded sweatshirt. It's just, there's
way too much going on.
You have the 2022 on the hood that looks like it goes like to your ear. I don't know, it's just weird. Yeah. And then the whole Supreme team and the Supreme on the arms, it's just way too much Supreme.
That's probably weighs so much too already with those letters.
Because
those
it's
like
all stitched.
Letters.
It's all gonna be stitched.
Those things are crazy. I kind of feel like the colorways are pretty nice. What?
That's all like
yeah.
or whatnot. I do like, I think that's white.
Maybe the gray.
Or gray. Yeah. Just because I have
like that
crew neck
from
a couple seasons ago. It has that same like
for sure
colors, and
that was executed way better.
Yeah,
this is like way too much going on.
And the pink colorway is clean.
Yeah, like I said too, like the colorways are all nice. It's just like way too much is going on right here. Yeah, for sure.
And branding.
All right, then my last least favorite thing of the season is just going to have to be the, I don't even know how to pronounce that, the Castelli Silver Surfer Cycling Bib Short. And this is here because, again, I have a very hard time believing that anyone that wears Supreme is buying these cycling bibs. I could be wrong. Maybe there's like a bunch of people out there that wait for these every season. But we seen one, was it Skittles last time?
Yeah.
We seen one of these bibs already, and I could be wrong, but I thought that the bib before this was the first one, but I never pay attention to these, so I could be wrong. But this, I don't know. This is on like a button-up shirt, like this pattern, which it looks better on that. This is just like, come on, if you're racing with this, bro, I don't know. This is just, is just not it.
I don't see anybody really buying them.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if that one guy that cycles for a living is like, oh, this is my jam right here.
Need that Silver Surfer Supreme. The retail on this is probably crazy. You could probably get a one without the Supreme branding. I don't know. I could go on all day how I don't like this item. All right, Joey, what was your another one of your least favorite things? What's your last least favorite thing of this season?
My other least favorite thing is this denim jacket. All the washes are really good. It's just the Supreme on the back going from your shoulder, like both shoulders. I don't like it very much. Again,
going with the theme that I just kind of feel like it was executed poorly.
Yeah.
Because they set the bar way too high with the previous ones. I feel like the last few seasons,
and
they've been hits.
Yeah.
But like this was a
Just
letdown for
lazy.
me too. Yeah, honestly, it's just kind of a letdown. I just don't like the way the Supreme looks at all on this. But like you said, the washes are pretty sick, so I'll give them that. But yeah, again, just not my favorite. All right, that was our 3 least favorite things of the season. I did want to give kind of a runner-up though for both of us, just because like I wanted to fit this in here somewhere, but I didn't know where to put it. So I just wanted to say that another item that I just loved so much with this Umbro track jacket. Like this colorway is so clean to me. Definitely gonna try to get this for the personal. This will probably sit. A lot of the track jackets just sit. Every single colorway is pretty sick, but I personally am gonna go for this color. I don't know what this is, like a mauve or something. But yeah, really nice color. Just wanted to give that a runner up. And Joey also had one running up item that he really liked this season.
My runner up is the sticky note molded lamp.
So sick.
I just feel like I've really never seen Supreme do anything like this before, like with a lamp, I guess.
Yeah, because they had like that like mushroom looking lamp or something. This is like some next
This
level.
is like, I don't really know how to explain it.
No, I feel it. Just something different.
Yeah, it's
we don't really
different,
see that from them. And yeah, no, I really.
But
do
he
like
does.
that.
He does look cute too.
Yeah, he do. I really hope retail is not high on this because I want this really bad for myself. If this is like a $300-$400 retail, I'm probably gonna pass.
Yeah.
But they'll find a way to make it that much. All right. With that being said, we're just gonna go over the whole season just like super quickly. Not gonna be anything too crazy. Before we go into that, actually, as a whole, how do you feel about the season, Joey? Do you think it was a hit or a miss?
I definitely think it's a hit.
I would have to agree with you. I didn't ask you off camera, but I'm sure you agree with me. The accessories, crazy.
Yeah, and they all slap.
I just feel like every single year, somehow they're getting better. The
Yeah.
accessories are just getting better and better and better. Honestly, I've been passing on so many clothes the last few seasons. And there's not a lot of things I want to get for the personal, but like there's a lot more things that like I'm gonna like consider buying. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like I feel like they're definitely like stepping it up, and in my personal opinion, this is probably one of my favorite seasons since like the 2017 era. I kind of feel like the accessories, we got some like new things. Well, we always get new things, but like I don't know, just like somehow they found a way to make it like more new things.
Right.
Hard to explain, but maybe you know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I know what you're
And like I said, like with the clothes, I feel like there's like a lot of things I'm probably gonna go for, or at least like consider going for, when like in the past I just haven't been doing that. I kind of feel like they've been missing a lot. Like I haven't really been buying too many personal things from Supreme. In my opinion, Supreme's kind of back with this season. I'm really liking it. So like if you had to rate it from like a 1 to 10 though, what do you think we'd give it?
I'd probably give it like an 8.
Okay.
Just because I feel like the accessories
definitely help.
They always make the season better, I feel. The accessories.
I agree. I agree for sure. But all right, I mean, let's just start with the accessories since we're already there. We already said like what was our favorite ones, but just like a quick few things. The big accessories, that RV thing. I mean, obviously neither one of us are gonna go for that. It's probably gonna be super hard to get. Who thought that? Who thought of that? Like I don't know, bro. That thing's just crazy.
I thought the pinball machine was wild back then.
Yeah, then somehow they one upped it.
Yeah,
like this is just crazy. The rug is even sick. This giant box is cool. I don't want to click on everything.
I do like the little cassette player.
Yeah, the cassette
that
was.
that
Yeah,
is cool.
that was sick. And those soccer balls are cool too.
Yeah.
The knife this year too. That's like full branding on the blade.
Oh, and the chapstick.
Yeah. Oh, the chapstick. We didn't say anything about that. Yeah. And then what about the Hanes color? How do you feel about the olive?
I do like the olive.
Yeah, me too.
I'm a big fan of olive.
Yeah, I am as well. I think the pink though was definitely better in my opinion, but this olive is better than the red and the purple. I think they definitely killed it on this. We already talked about the Air Force. No new color of Air Forces. The decks, I mean, obviously guys, the Supreme Bling, I need both of them. I would probably do a lot of illegal things for both of these, so gonna be trying to get both of these for sure. Colorway, the Blink box, like everyone knows, it's my favorite box logo, guys. It's my favorite box logo.
Oh, and the uncut.
Yeah, the uncut deck. That thing is pretty sick. Joey actually said he thought it was grip tape. I definitely see what he means. I can see it now that he said that. This is like sick. I wonder if people are actually gonna like try to cut this.
I hope so.
Like,
I feel like that'd be cool.
Yeah, hopefully we can see some cool videos of people cutting it or whatever. All the other decks though, nothing too crazy here. Like the other decks are just alright. The wheels staying the same as usual. We don't really need to talk about the pins. That basically covers the accessories, like we already said was our favorite things. How'd you feel about the bags though this season? Not my favorite, to be honest.
No.
I think I've seen better.
I don't really.
Like here's like the back.
The backpack is probably.
This is like a cool colorway though. I do like
that.
This.
Is cool.
Yeah.
I think that's literally the only bag that I really like. I don't really know what they're doing with that whole fanny pack like strap.
Yeah, the one that goes like,
little
over your
bag.
neck. I think it goes over your
like
neck.
the harness thing. It was.
Yeah.
I felt that's really odd. I've never really seen anything like that before, I feel.
Yeah, I agree too. Just the bags were kind of a miss for me. Why can I not go back? Yeah, just not my favorite. We never really talked too much about the hats because there's always just like 300 hats dropping. It's kind of like all in the same.
All the same styles, just different like.
And in my opinion, none of them were really sticking out to me besides like the newer color on the mini box that we got, that purplish one. That was pretty cool. But other than that, like probably just gonna pass on all these hats. Nothing was really just like crazy to me. Let me know if you guys liked any of the hats, but usually we never really talk about them. And then the shirts, bro. I'm not really liking these.
No. That's what I'm saying. They really, the t-shirts are usually the most hype out of like everything. But I feel like this season
this is what
just
like
the L and the shirts, like the t-shirts.
Yeah, this is
so
the t-shirts and the bags are kind of what held me back the most from making this like a full 10 for me for this season.
Yeah.
Rated as a 10. It's because like all of these suck in my opinion, except like this one. But I feel like we've already had this.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Or like a very similar variant of that. So I mean, nothing stood out. These are probably the worst t-shirts I've seen to drop since we've been doing this. Yeah,
hopefully
not really feeling those when they come for like the spring ones, like the second batch of them.
Hopefully those are better.
Yeah, hopefully those are going to be a lot better. We never really talked much about the pants either. The only ones that were really crazy to me were the Jacquard ones, that the fat tip that is matching that jacket, and then obviously me and Joey both really liked this camo. But yeah, we're both liking this camo a lot. These are pretty sick. I don't think I could pull these off, but I definitely appreciate those. And then like as a whole though, how do you feel about like all the hoodies that we got? Nothing like too wild in my opinion.
No, I think most of them are okay. I'm just upset that they didn't put the S logo in, because that's I always that the S logo is one of my favorite like logos in general, just because how clean it is. I usually have that as like my top favorite.
Yeah, I know, like, every season I feel like you pick that, and I feel like you buy it every single season, but they let you down this season, bro.
Unless it's like one of those things that they didn't put it in the lookbook.
Oh, like an unseen.
It's like an unseen.
Yeah, or it could be a collab or something. Who knows? But yeah, I can't believe that we didn't get an S logo. That's so like unlike them. But then since we're talking about S logos, let's talk about the box logo. Yes, it's the bling box, the greatest box ever. The brown is definitely gonna be my most wanted colorway of all of these. I'm gonna be going for the brown. Look how the navy is though, with this multicolored box like the skateboard we looked at earlier. That is just
it is very clean.
So sick. I love this. I'm hoping everyone's gonna hate this because like the bling box is one of the least, like the most hated box logos of all time. Like everyone always hates it. You can pick these up sometimes for like $150 still, and they're so old. Yeah, hopefully, obviously gonna sell it super quick, but hopefully I will be able to cop these. I was able to cop the wine box logo hoodie manual last season, so I'm hoping I can get this box logo because I need this thing. I'd take any color honestly at this point.
That's probably the only thing anyone would go for in week 1 since it's dropping.
Yeah, talk about that because we are one day late on recording this because obviously yesterday was Valentine's Day. We were both busy doing that. I don't know if you've seen yet, things could have changed by the time this video uploads tonight. They are showing that the box logo is going to drop, which is just, I've never seen that. I don't think they've ever done that.
No, I don't think
on week 1? That seems ridiculous. I hope that's incorrect.
Half the lookbook drops and they're just
gonna put a box logo in there.
Like, you guys want a box logo? There you go.
I really hope that's incorrect information. Yeah, as of right now, it's not confirmed. We've just seen that, and like I said, this video's not gonna come out till like 9 o'clock tonight or so. So things could have already changed by then. And then, yeah, I feel like there's not really too much more to talk about. We kind of went over everything that we usually talk about in all the other videos. We gave you guys our favorite things, our least favorite things. So make sure in the comments down below you let us know what you thought about this season. Let me know how you just felt about, like, on a scale 1 to 10. Like, how do you feel about this season? Because like me and Joey, he had an 8. I don't even think I said it, but mine was at a 9. The only thing holding me back were those tees and those bags. They were really close to getting a 10 for me. I think that's everything we gotta go through. So again, but like I said in the beginning of the video, I do want to try to come back. It's just like super hard to do these videos, but if you guys want to see them, let me know in the comments down below, and I will try my best to get back on an uploading schedule if that is something that you guys want to see. So again, let me know in the comments down below how you feel about this season. We let you know how we felt, so let us know how you felt about this season. And everyone, good luck when week 1 hits. It looks like it's dropping next Thursday, when usually it's not been on a Monday, but we're seeing it
this Thursday.
This Thursday?
Yeah, the 17th.
Next Thursday. Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
It is this.
Yeah, it is this week.
It is this
yeah,
week.
Which is a little weird too. That's also different about this season. They've been, I don't know. It's hard to keep up. So many things going on. But yes, and if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and see ya.